Okay, another day in the Zanga. Sun is out. Let's go. Going to the gym. So let's see what we can do today. I love this pinkish flowers. Makes things beautiful. Oof. This is a typical day for me in the market. I think it's about 7:15 now. I've been up since 6. I've just been scanning the market on GJ because I do trade GJ on the M15. I was spotting this move over the night yesterday. So this move, the support sell here around this level. But price moved, I think 4 in the morning. I don't trade around that time. So I'm very, disciplined about the timing because, I've worked out the system. So there's no point queuing up the system. So, price fell around that area, before this resistance level before my time to start trading for the day. So yeah, I'll just have to wait for another setup. But this week is a little bit slow. It's a bit of a slow start because this particular trade here, I I was in a break even and the broker took me out before my break even price, but price still went to TP. So I think probably the spread on that particular day wasn't so good, and I was selling here yesterday. Um, I got a stop loss, so that's all right. For today, there's nothing that's really interesting at the moment. The move I was looking for is already gone, so let's see if anything could cook up before the day ends. But I don't think anything is looking so good at the moment, so I'll just leave it. So come to gold. Gold, the week it's been okay. I've had two TPs. On Monday I took a trade here. So I had a TP on Tuesday. Same Monday I scaled in. This trade I closed it for a 1-to-1. I wasn't able to get a 1-to-2 completely. So I took a 1-to-1 on this particular trade just because the account was not too, perfect at the moment. So I just decided to take a 1-to-1. Then yesterday I sold around here. I got a stop loss. Once I woke up this morning, came to the market, I saw that gold has made a big push upside. So there's really nothing to, look out for at the moment. The markets just went really, really bullish, changed a lot of character. So I'm just gonna sit it out and see if there's anything juicy that's gonna come up later in the day. But aside that, really nothing is, nothing has really turned up. Then if I go to my 4 hour time frames, I have a couple of swing trades that I'm holding. For gold, I was selling at this, I think it was a 50 extension. Let me see. Yeah, I was selling at this 50 extension. I was almost sitting at 1-to-1. Then price just, turned. I think I was looking at this support level. I think buyers reacted off that support level. But for me, I do not close a trade when I'm in a trade. Like when I mean what I mean by close a trade, this particular point for me is where I accept that I'm totally wrong in the trade. At the moment, it looks like I'm wrong, but it's the principle. I've created a mechanical system where if the trade has not hit my stop loss or my TP, I don't touch it. So it's just gonna go probably hit my stop loss, which is fine. Um, the week is still Wednesday, so let's see how it goes. For oil, I've been buying oil since Monday. Came back. I think I'm in a major drawdown. I don't know. This still looks okay. This support level is still holding. So let's see the rest of the push for the day. I'm gonna update you guys. Then for ETH, so I saw this, on the daily time frame. I saw we were making some push to the upside, some little push there. If I pick a trend line and I just draw, I can see we're making a little bit of push on to the upside. Originally we're in a downtrend because this is a weekly time frame structure, the daily time frame structure which has not been broken. So I'm gonna have to just watch this out, but I'm buying. I'm currently buying off this, I think it's a 58 extension. Let me see. Yeah, I pulled my fib from here to here before the move yesterday. So yeah, I think it's 68 extension, 58 extension type shit. So let's see how it goes. This really correlates with BTC, and BTC is actually pushing. So this is, I think, BTC is one of the reasons why I bought it. If I go on the daily, you can see that BTC is really, really gaining momentum to the upside. So let's see if it works. So I think that's my second swing trade. Then my third swing trade for the week. I may end up taking another swing trade, but my swing trades are not too much. I got about 2-3 setups in a week, and that'll be all. So I think the only trade that's really performing at the moment is GU. I was buying GU yesterday. I think I bought it. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I bought it yesterday or Tuesday London session. So my reason for buying is still from the 68 extension type shade. So I'm holding to a 1 to 2. Hopefully I get 1 to 2 on this particular play. But yeah, I've not really broken even yet. So let's hold and see. But yeah, that's all for this morning. There isn't any major move I really need to make. I predicted some move that I wasn't able to take, like Nas. Nas went away. I think it's almost a TP now, or probably I've hit TP already. So this is what probabilities really mean in the market. Sometimes you predict moves and you don't take them, and the ones you take, which can stem from the fact that probably some of them came earlier than the other. So and you just let it go. It's part of it. This could be a loser, but it's a winner today. So I think this and Euro AUD, this is a beautiful setup. So this wasn't cooked up properly yet before I bought GU. So at the moment it's really, really pushing down. So which is good. So I'm not in this setup and I'm not in NAS, and they are really performing. So the ones I'm in, gold, almost at my stop loss, ETH still in drawdown, oil still in major drawdown, but I still kind of feel that price is still respecting this support level. Hopefully it might probably hit my stop loss, which is fine, and GU, which is performing. For GJ, I was looking at selling this, but GJ just pushed down. There's so much volatility on GJ at the moment. So yeah, so let's see. I'll keep you guys updated in the afternoon as to what really happens next. But for now, I have nothing to do in the market. Yeah, days like this happen. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. So I'm looking to go 5 sets on this particular machine. So yeah, let's get cracking.
Let's play.
guys, it's a typical Wednesday in Huntington. So this is the yard, this is Boots. This thing needs to be renovated. But yeah, this is Premier Travels. That's Greg's over there. I just finished my gym session, so I'm headed for the barber shop. I think it's a little bit windy, as it is in the UK almost every time. It's wind, 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 and wind. So the Specsavers over there. And yeah, let's get to the barber shop. So the gym session is over. I'm walking to the barber shop. It's just 2 minutes away from my gym. That's the background behind. So let's get cracking with the day. I just checked the market. Gold is still bullish at on the smaller time frames. So I'm gonna be looking for buy. Excuse me. I'm gonna be looking for buy opportunities in due time. But for now, I really can't see much in the market. For GJ, I think on the M15 today, I don't think there's anything that's gonna be really setting out. But yeah, that's the little updates for the market. See y'all later. So the rain in this country, the weather in this country is just so fucking crazy. Like, how the fuck did we have a nice sunny morning? And it's just about 10 a.m. in the morning, and the weather is raining. It's fucking raining. So I just had my hair cut. Currently heading home. I have some video shoots to do today, so that's gonna be the extra work I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. But yeah, that's it. I know I want to see my hair cut, but it's gonna be on my other video. So yeah, see y'all later. Guys, so trade updates. I just took a sell on GJ right now. My reasons for taking the sell is there's a triple top around here, so that's my reason for selling. So I'm gonna put everything on the video, but I'm risking about, I think I'm risking about 1.2% of my account basically. I'm looking for 4% total profit target. So let's see if we're able to hit TP on this particular trade. Then I'm also looking to set a buy stop on gold. So I'm just going to be setting my parameters on my MT5 at the moment. So let's see if we are able to hit a winner on this particular play. It should be good if we do. I'm gonna be checking out for my account for gold. So this is 461. So I'm gonna go find gold 461. So I'm gonna be looking for a buy on this. I'm gonna risking 3% on display. So this is at the moment, this is like a phase 2 account for me. So hopefully I get over the hump with this. Otherwise, it is what it is. This is the probability business that we are in. So 4654, 4654. Yep. So I'm looking to risk about 300 to 94. So place a buy stop up there. So guys, I'm buying around this particular price level here. I think 4692. and my stop is around here, 4654. So I'm going to be looking for a 2 hour on display. So as since this is done, I'm going to be giving a trade update on the plays I had originally. So just give me a second, I'm trying to sort out my parameters. Okay, while this is done, that's the sound of the MC5 if you're a trader, you know. So while this is done, so I'm going to give you a trade update on what has been on today. So throughout the day, I've not taken any trade on the M5 or M15 because there was really nothing. But I just checked the market now, and things are looking okay. I think I've been triggered on gold. Yeah, I've been triggered on gold. So two of my day trading plays are active at the moment. So let's see the return. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm selling here and I'm buying here. So the reason why I'm buying, I saw we had this push phase. We had price, had a bit of a stop around this level. Price came back to that stop, multiple rejections, and the fib is about the 0.78 extension. So it's a good play in my book. Double bottom right here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take this off. Then for here, normally I pull a fib from where the high is because we had this original push phase here up to this point. Price has never got into the 50 extension, so normally I'm not supposed to sell. But the reason why I'm selling is because of a triple top. So in my playbook, a triple top, is an A setup. A B whatever is an A setup for me. So that is why I'm taking this trade. So let's see if we're able to take something off the market on this particular move today. Yeah, so now I'm back to the trades I was in. So if I go here, gold stopped me out this morning. If you remember, I was talking about selling this. So I almost got to a 1-to-1, but price never really hit a 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 is my break-even point. So price came and took me out, which is okay. I see us, we've changed character on the H4 time frame, so I think we're bullish right now. Then for ETH pushed into profit for a little bit, but I think we're retesting. So let's see how it goes. Then for oil totally stopped me out, just like gold. So I'm out of this trade. Took about I think I took about a 1.5% loss on this trade, and for gold, I think I took about a 1.5% loss. So that's all right. Then for GU, so GU is in profit. So my profit target is here. So I'm watching and seeing, if price gets to this particular point. So that will be a good trade for me. By the moment we're in profit, so we're floating. Let me check. I think we should be floating around 1.8% of my account. So let's see how the rest of it goes. So at the moment, I'm just in two plays. I'm in ETH and I'm in GBP USD. So let's see. I'll catch up with you guys later. If we do hit TPs on this particular play, I'll keep you guys posted. Otherwise, I'll still keep you guys posted on how it goes. So this is the game we play here. So yeah, see y'all later. Cheerio. So guys, this is a little bit update on my day. I've been able to, go to the gym, go to the barber shop, do some chores, follow up with the market. So the main reason for this video is to just let you guys know that you can actually be doing your daily activities while still trading as far as you've gotten the skill. The main thing is the skill. Once you get the skill, you can as well do whatever you want to do, do your thing during the day and be able to, to track your trades. So at the moment, I'm still in about a couple of positions. I just booked a position for GBPJPY and gold on the on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm seeing the positions ETH and GBP USD. So let's see if they're able to, hit full TPs. But for now, all we do is just wait. I'm about to record videos. You can see I'm all set up and ready. So I'm about to record videos. I have my little laptop here and the tablet. So we have to get to work. We keep working over here. So then I'm about to make some videos for the channel, yeah, and some for my for my social media account. So the place is conducive. I'm ready. I've got my drink here. I've got my mind right. Yeah, let's lock in.